tambay while watching the sunset at the seaside, bonding with family, at lots of food trips. Ilan lang yan sa pwede nyong gawin dito sa Cavite City. Tara, sama ka sa gala ko. Ito ang Samonte Park, ang lugar kung saan ipinangalan ng first governor ng Cavite na si Ramon Quijano Samonte. Kilala ito bilang pasyalan ng karamihan. Madami ka din ditong pwedeng mabilhan ng food trips habang nakatambay sa seaside or while bonding with your family or friends. Isa na sa list ng food trips, itong very comfy at fun place para mag-relax, ang Mahayag Cafe.
October 28, 2024, Mahayag Cafe started. So, Mahayag Cafe means manifest. Tagalog term siya. So, manifest in Mahayag is because me and my husband believe in manifestation. So, our cafe is actually parang personality namin tong dalawa eh. So, it's a hobby cafe where we have our collections like toys, nandito din yung mga NBA cards, you can see also our mugs, pati na rin din yung mga may shoes din, pero hindi lahat ng shoes nandito. Pero nandito din naman siya. So it's a hobby cafe. So for our 3 best sellers, our food best sellers actually, yung chicken fingers with garlic mayo dip, fried siopaw with our special sauce, which is homemade by us, and then also our beef parejalog. Then for our drinks naman, our coffee, of course, I'm going to let you know our Mahayag coffee, which is actually our signature coffee.
Relaxing place, flavorful foods. Kahit saan pa man yan, at kahit anong food trips, ang importante ay ang pagkakataon na makabuo ng masasayang memories kasama ang inyong mga loved ones.